this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something really neat. This is from Taiwan, and this is a mom's dry noodle variety. The first bowl I've ever seen from them, and it's pretty neat. So you got this lid, plastic lid. Then you got this. It looks like a can of almonds, like a big can of almonds. You just pull back. Isn't that rad? I don't know. I like that. I've never seen anything like that. It probably cost them a bundle to do that. Come on, let go. We got. We really don't. I asked them about it, and he said 650 mils of water. I'm guessing that's probably about up to there. So that's what we're gonna do. I believe that and that go in, and then at the end the black vinegar goes in. It's an oyster flavor vermicelli with scallop. I was like, is that an oyster? He's like, no, it's a scallop. I'm like, okay, cool. We got this sachet. I wonder what's here. What have we here? Vegetable? We have soup base. We'll give it a go. So that's a dry powder. And then here is our scallop. It's going to take a ride in the liquid. Boop. Come on, get in there. There you go. Alright, let's add our liquid like so. That seems sensible, and I like to try to be somewhat sensible. I don't know, maybe it does go higher. One quick way to find out is to see how salty it is. Ooh. I think that's about right. And I didn't get the amount of time for it, so I'm going to go with 3 minutes. It's a very thin noodle, so I'm guessing that'll do the trick. Put our black vinegar on top. So yeah, it's an interesting day because I'm doing 2 Indonesian varieties. I just did a bulldog curry sauce. And now I'm doing the first bowl variety that has a pop top metal lid. So, wow. So, that's fun. I like that. I just need to get more noodles. Yeah, this is next year for you. The things that might be going on for you at that point. Wow. I don't know. The news has just been all over the place. So maybe the Ukraine war is over. All we got right now is Donald Trump going to court. I think there's other stuff, you know. It'd be nice if they were still talking about the Ukraine war. But, you know, we got the Trump thing. We got the big, horrible tragedy in Hawaii for the fire. And it's still strange to me. I always thought bad tragedy in Hawaii must be a volcano. No, not this time. Let's see how much he's got. A minute. I'll just do a minute. Let's see what happens. The next one I'm going to be doing is a miga ring, already fried an egg. That's one that's tricky. A day where I've got 4 reviews and 2 of them require fried eggs. That's tricky. But making it happen, doing the do. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. That I like. So yeah, I like that. Need to try to get out walking as soon as possible because yesterday that was rough. My wife coats me, hoses me down in sunscreen, and I go out and all's well, and then I get to a certain point of just like chugging along and walking, I just start sweating and I just start dripping sweat. It's like I'm walking like 3.5 to 4 miles an hour, probably more in the 3.5 to 3 3/4 miles an hour, chugging down the trail, and it's just like, it's kind of hot out here. But like yesterday, it was like 94 degrees. Did I do 8.5 miles yesterday? That's pretty good. Let's see if this noodle is done. I'm gonna give it a little bit of extra leeway since I did not ask how many minutes, and that's on me. I would say that's a done noodle. This reminds me, I'll say it, of maybe more of a Hong Kong style-y thing. I don't know. Well, let's try it with the black vinegar ensconced in here. Yeah, that's cool. I like that because it's like, it was kind of like, it's good, but it's kind of muted. It's not a violently strong flavor. It's not like punching me in the mouth with like, wow, that's flavorful. So I'm leaning towards, maybe it's supposed to be a savory thing, like a light, rich, scallopy kind of thing. Supposed to be oyster flavor. I wonder if that's black vinegar or oyster sauce. I don't know. But now it's like once I put that sachet in, oh my god, it's hot. Large amount of noodle too. Oh come on, where'd you go? I didn't eat the scallop, I swear, but I want it to be seen. There is no finding that sucker, is there? Is that it? No. Is that it? No. I'd really like you to be able to see the scallop. Wait. And this is a hard one to plate too because it's like, doesn't want to work with me. Come on, work with me. Well, you saw me put the scallop in. What have we here? I'm getting cabbage off of that. It's good. It's another one of these mom's dry noodle ones where it's just like, whoa. I don't know that I'm completely familiar with that herb or spice or whatever is in here, and it's compelling as all get out. You know, it's like this seems like the flavor profiles that they're pushing out are like seem very gourmet, high end, and like this is interesting. I need to research exactly what's going on here. I like that. I like when I find something that makes me go, what is that? I want more of that. I need to know what this is. I often do not get that from plenty of varieties. So I'm going to leave it at that. Maybe a little crushed red pepper while you get some rotato going on. And some lawn maintenance. Gotta care for that lawn while I'm doing my show. Thanks. Alright, well that's that. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks to the folks over at Mom's Dry Noodle for sending this over, and that's the last of the ones I've got from them. Cool stuff. Really cool. And yeah, like, subscribe, helps me out. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.